Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi.
Welcome to Tandag City, the heart of Surigao del Sur, where the mountains meet the sea, and where the adventure begins.
Tayo na ang sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na ang sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na ang sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na ang sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw.
Ilog ng mga ulap, hinihipan ng hangin, uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa kapawid. Kay sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay.
2025 since our classes start. So bored, no place to go, so we decided to explore where we live, Tandag. We don't wait for memories to come, we make them. We may not have a camper van, but we've got big dreams and stronger friendship. Every little adventure we make, sulit, kahit minsan sablay. Sinitap na rin namin kung anong meron, dala lang ang sarili, konting gamit at lakas ng loob, para kahit simple lang, ready to go. Madalas sa mga biyahe namin wala talaga kaming destinasyon, pero saan man kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga. Ligtas ang bawat isa at masaya. This is Miguel, Fiona, Stacy at ako, Harvey. We are Unggoy Fam.
Beware of us!
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok. Tumakas na tayo, palayo sa maraming tao. Tumiwalay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon. Dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.
Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural discovery, Tandag has something just for you.
Here, life moves at its own pace. Whether you're waking up with the sound of waves, the scent of fresh air, or the buzz of community, Tandag offers a calm that refreshes the soul.
The clock ticking on the wall, losing sleep, losing track of the tears I cry. Every drop is a waterfall, every breath is a break in the real tide. Oh, how long has it been? I don't know, but it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know, to be with you in paradise. What I wouldn't sacrifice, why'd you have to chase the light somewhere I can't go, as I walk this world alone, as I walk this world alone. Another glimpse of what could have been, another dream of the way that it never was. Falling back in the wilderness, waking up, rubbing salt in the cut. Oh, how long has it been? I don't know, but it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know, to be with you in paradise. What I wouldn't sacrifice, why'd you have to chase the light somewhere I can't go, as I walk this world alone, as I walk this world alone. It's an endless night, it's a starless sky, it's a hell that I call home. It's a long goodbye on the other side of
Ongoy Fam! Hi, Ongoy Fam! Nasaan tayo nga eh? Where are we now, Ongoy Fam?
Nandito tayo.
Hoy, kapoy magbutang ng subtitles pag English na. Go. We're here.
So we are here in Grotto. So when you look at the view, it's so amazing.
It's so green!
Yes, it's so greenish, like a Tandag National Science High School.
I know, right?
Tatak green!
Yes! Tatak green talaga. Hashtag green. Sealed green. Tama. Sealed green. Ito si Miguelito.
Please, I guess, go update
Sa...
Yes.
Wara. Wara yung update. Dapat si Biplop na mo.
Biplop.